Hey guys, so we were trying to repair a bolt hole, this one here. There was a stuck fastener in it. We got the fastener out, but the thread is sloppy. So as you can see, there's still good thread, but it's loose. So what we're going to do is we're going to TimeSert it. So I did another video showing you thread certs and stuff like this. So this is a TimeSert kit. 8mm by 125. These are honestly the best. So I'm going to show you how to do it. Let's get started. So I want to start off by thanking the guys over at TimeSert because they sent me this kit. This kit I had, but it was getting worn. So I contacted them. I said I was getting ready to do a video, and they sent me this kit, which I really appreciate. These kits for thread repair, in my opinion, are really the best. There's no better thread repair solution. You know, the kits are a little expensive, but once you buy one, figure the original kit I had is around 20 years old and it just wore out. So I've done, you know, thousands of repairs. So the kit comes with the drill, the correct size drill, comes with a counter bore tool, comes with a correct tap, and then it comes for the driver. So now this driver, I don't know if you can see it on the video, when I rotate it, it's kind of like a five-sided trapezoid, or nah, I don't even know. So it rolls the thread. So the way these end up working is you put this on, the last few threads of this aren't fully formed, so this pushes those threads out, which then engages it. So if you look, this is basically how the thread repair ends up looking. So it sets it down and installs it and works. And then you can see, you know, all the different thread repairs. So this is metric, taper pipe, you know, they have General Motors kits, Honda kits, and this, you know, so they make them for all different stuff. They make tap guides. Honestly, when it comes to thread repair, TimeSerts are the best. And then they have a newer product called TimeSert, which this is for a repaired thread that's been repaired already. So if there's already been a helicoil in it, or a TimeSert that is then damaged, so it will repair that. So it's another option to go with. So I just wanted to show you guys this stuff before we start on doing it. But companies, TimeSert, you can get them on Amazon. You can contact them. So here are their numbers. Let's get started. So in this, we're going to end up TimeSerting this hole on a screw that we tried to extract. So the nice thing with TimeSerts, it's an insert, fully threaded. They come in steel and stainless. So we're going to drill this out oversized. We're going to thread it oversized. Then we're going to put a step. So this is going to put a step that the head of this insert is going to rest on. And the way these work is the last couple threads aren't completely rolled on these. So when this goes through, it pushes the threads outwards and locks them in place. So let's get started. We're going to start off by drilling. Now, all the times I do this, I always do it in a milling machine. You want to make sure everything's kept nice and straight and square, or you're going to have a really crooked hole. Alright, so good and deep enough. So now this is the stepping tool we're going to use. We just go to the edge. Fit perfectly. Now we're going to tap it. I'm going to use a little tapping oil. So this is Molly D. This is really just to stop galling. Now one trick I do, I'm going to show you in a second. I'll back the video up, I'll back the image up. I put a point in the drill head and then I use that to center. Set this up a little better. Off with the milling machine like this, which now by doing that keeps it completely square as we go down. And then just the tension of the mill will keep everything square. And you won't end up tapping the hole crooked. Nice little machinist trick. Obviously, as we get down to the bottom, we don't need it anymore. There we go. Back it all out. Also going to put a small drop of oil on the tool that's going to insert this. We're going to blow all the chips out. Once again, drop that down to keep everything square. You'll feel when you end up setting it down, this tool ends up expanding that thread cert, which then locks it in place. And there you go. Perfect TimeSert. And thank the people at TimeSert for the help with this video. If you guys need anything, feel free to hit them up. Awesome company to deal with. And once again, thanks for watching the video. Please share, like, and subscribe. You guys all have a great day.